Hello guys, welcome to Master G Programming Video Tutorials. In this video I am going to teach you about copy constructor. It is the another type of the constructor in which we will call the constructor in a different way. I have taught you other two type of constructor, that is default constructor and parameterized constructor. In this I will use the topic of parameterized constructor as well destructors. So if you don't know the basics of constructor and destructor, to see my tutorial of inheritance constructor and destructor, then continue this video. So let's get started with the program in which I am making a class of name line. Class line. Now we will define this class. Public x is modifier, integer get value function. I am declaring this get value function in this. The argument is of void type, not of integer type. Void type, this means no argument is being passed. And then line, the function name is line, this means it's the constructor. I have taken in constructor. In this I am taking in value integer len, that signifies length, which means this is a parameterized constructor. I have taken a function, get value function, and second parameterized constructor, then again a constructor in which the parameter are of constant type. See, this is something new. I am taking an parameter that is an object of the class line. So this is the basic concept of copy constructor, in which argument that is to be passed in a constructor is an object of that particular class, and then I am taking a destructor in which no argument is being passed. So we can take void or nothing, no matters. So here is the constant line ampersand obj, that is object, and now I am taking another variable, or we can say pointer of integer type, that is privately assigned, so that this pointer can be used within this class only. And all the declaration I have done with the class line. Now we will define that particular function and the constructors, parameterized, copy, and a destructor. So first of all, I am using an scope resolution operator, which is used to define a function that is to be defined outside the class and which is declared in that particular class. So I am defining the get value function. No, first of all we will define the line constructor or parameterized constructor, in which the parameter is integer length. I am passing in message in this constructor, cout normal constructor, and this constructor automatically calls whenever you create an object with the passing of an integer value in its parameter. Cout normal constructor and line, then ptr is equals to new ptr. This is something new thing. I have taken a new keyword, which means to memory allocation. Whenever you use a new keyword, this means we are allocating the memory dynamically to the variable. That ptr is a pointer, that you know ptr is a pointer, and we are allocating memory to that pointer, which means when the ptr is alone a pointer, this has no significance in the memory location. and when you use with the new operator, this means you have given the memory to that particular pointer, and now that memory allocation name is ptr and it is pointed to the ptr value. Then this pointer ptr is equals to len, this means length, which is being transferred through the argument. Now I am taking again a constructor in which the parameter that is being passed is of constant type, and the object line object which is being the address of the object. This means whenever you call this object, whenever you create an object, in that you have to pass another object of that class. We will clear this thing when we will create an object to call this copy constructor. Cout copy constructor, this is the message for the user. ptr is equals to new int. Again we are allocating the memory to the user in the ptr. So I am allocating the memory in a ptr. Now I am assigning the value to the ptr through the object ptr. So this is the new thing. When I will call the function or we can say constructor, the copy constructor, then we will again explain this particular line when we will call that constructor with the copy format. Then I am defining the function getValue function in which no parameter has been passed. So we will take the void as a argument and return the value of star ptr that is being assigned in the copy constructor as well as in the normal constructor, that is parameterized constructor. So now the last function is being left. Oh, not function, it's a constructor. So now we will define the constructor. Destructor. Destructor is used to destroy the object that is being created, or the memory allocation that is being assigned will be now cancelled as the program is completed. So we will constantly call the constructor and we will put the message so that we can know that the memory is being freed. Now being freed, freeing memory. Now change the line. So it's all done with the constructor, destructor, copy constructor and getValue function part. Now we will continue this video in the next part of this tutorial. So stay tuned with Master G. Thank you.